that. It's showing us walking.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew.
Today we've been to Plimpton Woods. Nag-walk kami doon. Tapos ayun, my husband got annoyed of me because hindi ko napansin is nakaapak pala ako ng tae nandito sa carpet. Yung kaya ang baho dito. Ayun, nagalit siya. Kaya ngayon, pupunta naman kaming Dartmoor. Kaya hindi kami natuloy agad kasi nga, yun, nilinis ko pa yung carpet at nilinis ko pa yung sapatos ko kasi ang baho ng tae ng aso yung naapakan ko at dito sa carpet namin. Kaya as you can see guys, yung sapatos ko na isa pinatuyo ko muna siya. Pinatuyo ko muna yung sapatos kasi nilinis ko siya muna. Kaya hello everybody! Welcome back again sa aking YouTube channel. Anyway guys, so today is wala talaga kaming ibang mapuntahan kasi most of the tourist attraction here in Dibon is medyo malayo sa lugar namin, which is about more than an hour drive. Kaya this is a place na medyo malapit lang sa amin, which is again here in Dartmoor National Park. At as you can see guys, this is so beautiful and full of nature. Kaya if you love nature guys, this is the place where you can stay and relax. Also, there's a lot of wild animals over here. Maraming mga horse, cattle, lots of lambs or sheep. What's the difference between lamb and sheep, dude? I will ask my husband what is the difference between lamb or sheep. Dude, what is lamb and
Small
sheep?
sheep, young one.
Huh?
Child.
Lamb is a old sheep,
Small.
small
Young.
sheep, and sheep is a big lamb.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Hi guys, yan, pauwi na kami. It's been, it's a ride really. Yan, we're going back to the city again where we belong. And pauwi na kami guys.